It's another exciting time on Port series, and I still remain your host, Olusola Adefila. My ever amiable MD CEO is here. Mr. Ernest Udezi, you're welcome on the show.
Thank you.
As always, it has been always interesting having you on the show. Last week we discussed about the challenges hampering the port system, and today our center of focus is majorly on port congestion. So we all understand that from the time the ship berths and offloading of their cargo, this is expected to be done within a stipulated time. And that is what we want to discuss. That this time is what is being affected at our various ports. What do you think can be done?
Okay. What to be done on the issue of congestion? Okay. We're looking at a solution to it, knowing that congestion is already a problem. So we'll provide a solution to that. In that aspect, for we to ease off congestion, first of all, we need to have a proper port management system, okay, in which every machineries, equipment that will aid the cargo handling should be functional to the optimal, okay. Now, if we're able to have those things in place, the vessel calling on our port won't exceed 48 hours. That vessel must leave. Okay. But if these things are not in place, the vessel will spend more time. If you have a decay in your cargo handling equipment, there is no magic you can do. Okay? Because at the process you want to offload the cargoes, the containers from the ship, it might break down. At this process, the time you take it to fix it back, maybe it might require a parts to be imported, or to even get to the market or whatsoever to get it fixed. So these are the issues we are talking about. First of all, we need to have a functional cargo handling equipment. Okay, the modern type of cargo handling equipment, not just having a cargo handling, a modern type of cargo handling that will handle this cargo effectively. Okay, now if you remember what we discussed earlier, electronic data interchange. These are the things that lead to enhance proper port management. We have talked about the intermodal chains, which will enhance. All these things are the equipment, are the materials, are the necessary factors that need to be in place for you to have a functionable port, and which will reduce the congestion in our port. Okay. Now, for we to have a functionable port system and to ease off the congestion, first of all, our EDI should be working perfectly. Before the ship leave the port of origin to the port of destination, the manifest has been sent across. Okay? When the manifest are sent across, the shipping company will pick it up, send to the customs, and to the consignees. The consignees will start their processing of cargoes before arrival. And once the manifest are sent, the terminals will have them. These terminals will prepare their stacking areas to accommodate this set volume of containers that are coming in by the vessel. Okay. Now, if the equipment are intact, everything is functional. That means immediately it comes in, the cargoes must have been processed. What they are not saying is that bring it down and go to the truck or to the rail. That is where via barge, or that is where we have to the intermodal chain have to come into place. Because if you have a proper intermodal system in which the rail, in which the truck can come in which the barge can be used, Now you have a good road for these trucks to access the road. Okay, you have so everything that has to make the port functional have to be there. So you have to have functional equipment, effective road, truck, all the intermodal chain have to be in place for we to have all these things sorted out. So now, most of our ports doesn't have a rail system. It's only Apapa that has a rail system. Even the Apapa rail system is not functional. So it's a big problem. Other like Tinkan, Port and Cargo, whatever, APM, what they call it, 5-star or the rest, they don't have a rail system. The only what we can use to control that place is the badge system, being what using what inland waterways to have a transit port, a transit jetties to be able to disconnect. So now these are the things that need to be put in place. Use what you have to get to what you want. So we don't have rail system functional. But we will have our inland waterway to be utilized to discongest these ports. Now we should deploy the badge effectively. Then let the equipment work. Once the equipment are working, any vessel that calls to our port should leave max 48 hours. And that's what makes port viable. So the viability of a port is the turnaround of a vessel. And when a vessel makes money is when the propeller is rolling. Okay, so as it stands there for a day or two, more than a week, they're paying demorages. And it's telling on the shipping company, the shipping lines. So it is not a good business for them, and neither is a good name for the country, Nigeria. So we need to put these things in good shape for we to have a proper port management system and to discongest the ports.
Okay, thank you so much. I want to sincerely appreciate you for your time today. Thank you so much. And all right, viewers, I hope we've been able to find something educative from today's program. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Royal Renasido, and don't forget to visit our website at www.royalrenasido.com. And you can also follow us on YouTube at Port Series. Till I come your way next week. Bye bye.